back to another video on Gordon Racing 412. If you didn't know what day it was, it's still the same day, but a different boat. But first, we gotta see how we got here. Well, here's where we're at. Working on getting some of the rigging changed over. Obviously, you guys saw we were using this Mercury to OMC harness that I had made for my 4-stroke, but we're gonna make a smaller, dedicated one for the 650 XS. The boat is rigged for OMC, so obviously shift cable, throttle cable need to get changed out for Mercury ones. And actually, that's probably pretty much it, other than a couple little wiring things on the motor. Figure out where to get the trim solenoids mounted, because this thing now has the more modern power trim unit on it, which is nice, but since we don't have the pump and everything in the boat anymore, we got to find spots to put the relays on the motor. And if you've ever worked on one of these, you know that the cowlings are very tight around them. They're a tight package, so to try to find room for another 2 relays or 2 solenoids and an adapter harness is a little tricky. Alright, so we're having lots of fun here today, because one of the things that went wrong with this boat last year was that at the very end of the year, the front hook randomly ripped out. And, you know, of course, this is the only boat that we have put in a full bulkhead. So unfortunately, we've had to cut an access hole. And now, one of us, which will be me, has to try to climb up into the front of the boat, which isn't fun on a good day, let alone on this one. So that's gonna suck, but you know, you need one of these hooks to trailer the thing. Unfortunately, the old hook wasn't stainless. We never noticed, and the bolts just completely disintegrated. There was nothing left of them, so fun times. All right, we didn't film it, but I did manage to get myself all the way up in there, right to the nose. And we got the new hook, so it was very warm, very tight, what it's in. We'll just put some sort of access panel on the hole, tidy it up a little bit. And one more thing we're doing, drain plugs. This boat never had one. And it's getting very annoying because bilge pumps never get all the water out. And this thing sits on a lift most of the time, so why not have drain plugs? Finished testing that one, and now we're moving right on to boat number 2. So guys, the 650 XS is going in the water now, but that motor does need to be broken in, so we're not going to be doing any full throttle passes, nothing too crazy. We're just going to be going easy on it, taking it for its first ride, making sure it doesn't overheat, doesn't do anything silly, and just making sure it runs good. You know, none of this stuff is run in 20 plus years, so we're just gonna make sure that everything's good and just go for a little ride. Let's go to the ramp. Yeah. Yeah. It is. Okay. Yep. It did. And we got to remember that it has them now. And you're there. Yep. It's right at the drop.
Pull it out a little bit?
Yeah. Like there. Even a little more. It's fine. It has only been maybe half an hour since we tested the Critchfield, and look at how much rougher it is out here. Still should be okay, but it really doesn't take long here on Kempenfeld for the waves to start coming up. I know that someone, like, I've heard that this motor is half of a T2X, but that seems to run and idle perfectly fine. It's the pedal, yeah, you can pull it back. You hooking your kill switch up or not? It really does seem to. Like, it's starting great, it's idling fine. Yeah, that is the fastest thing in 1976. Look how much rougher it is, though. It was glass when we were out here. Watch, he's going to immediately get into the throttle. Yeah. I'm going to take it easy. Starts winding it out right away. Sounds smooth. Sounds good. Oh. I like that sound. That sounds good. Have you ever heard of 650 XS before? Us neither. I haven't. He has, but it was 40 years ago.
Yeah, I don't think anybody I know.
Yeah.
50 is good.
picked up here, so I doubt he'll be going for much more of a ride. And I think test number 2 might be canceled, to be honest. I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna break it in. If there was a motor that we have that I don't expect to make it back to the dock under its own power, it's this. So far, I'm surprised we've made it as far as we have, to be honest. Nobody wants to go break in a motor. Next is, it'll go to 6 mile. Confirmed running.
This fucker wants to go.
It seems like it runs pretty good.
Runs great. Yeah, like it's boggy at the low RPM, but as soon as you start to give us some throttle, it clears. You can tell it wants to go.
Yeah. Can you just spin the motor towards me a bit? Was it pumping water at the front or no?
No.
Can you just put the nose of the boat out, Matt? I just want to feel it. Yeah, it's good. It's not hot at all. It's not cold.
Well, I wouldn't expect
but
it to be cold.
It's fine. It's not even. Yeah, it sounded great.
I tell you, it wants to go. Like you can hear it. You can feel it.
It
wants to rev.
We really liked how it sounded.
Yeah.
I've never heard a 650 XS.
It sounds mean.
Sounds really mean. Sounded awesome.
I can't wait to get this thing to the cottage and play with it.
Yeah. Sweet. Successful test number 2. Was it a little bit rougher out there?
Yeah, it's crazy how much has changed.
Well, that's cool. At least we got to do this. And we're 2 for 2. Making it back under their own power.
That's it.
That's a good day. That is a good day.
So far, that motor, I'm impressed with that. It feels strong.
Especially with all the problems you had with the electrical and whatnot. Like, it took a while to get it to run, and then all of the sudden one day it started running perfect.
I got to do something with the pedal. The pedal does not come back on its own.
Okay.
The pedal sticks. A couple times I started to get into it a little bit on the throttle, and it was like, oh, it's not coming back. Go, pull that back.
I wasn't expecting that to just pop off like that, but maybe a stronger spring or a strong, well, yeah.
Was that, it was just hooked there?
I think it was just hooked there. I could look at the camera. I just recorded myself touching it and it flying off, so.
You could literally loosen this and turn it to give it more.
Yeah, maybe. Or yeah, that spring, I mean, the spring's probably 40 years old, so.
I want to replace all these bolts too with stainless.
Yeah.
Wow, they're rusty.
I was gonna break one.
No, I've had them all out.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. I could have asked for a better first run.
No, I'm surprised that actually happened. I am surprised. And just like that, 650 XS is ready to go. The next time you guys see this, it'll be on its way to the cottage and we'll do some real testing. See you then.